Some of you may have noticed a couple new additions to campus this spring. The Allen Sachs Little Free Libraries began this semester and are already a hit on campus. So what are these little libraries?
It's really simple. It's take a book, leave a book. And so you go up to one. If there's something interesting that you want to read, just open it up and take it.
Dr. Allen Sachs helped make these little libraries possible.
He is our very generous sponsor of the Little Free Libraries. He donated the money so that we could buy the actual boxes for the libraries. So we were delighted that he was interested.
These little libraries have received a lot of positive feedback from students.
And people seem really excited, and we've had to refill the boxes 3 times already. They just went live this semester.
For students, these are the best libraries because there are no fees and no due dates. Thanks to these new additions on campus, it's easier than ever for students to find a good book to enjoy. All it takes is visiting one of these little libraries, bringing a book that you've enjoyed, and taking one for yourself. The Allen Sachs Little Libraries are located outside Trimble Hall, Carlisle Hall, the Fine Arts Building, and Arlington Hall.
They were put up over the winter break and ready to go the first day of classes this spring.
So the next time you pass a little library on campus, take a look inside and see if anything interests you. For UTA News, I'm Morgan Fursick.